Have you ever thought about what really makes you feel refreshed and full of energy? Not just taking away your thirst for a moment? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Clean Hydration. Today in this video we will discuss rehydration drinks and how we can make the same at our own home, which is more than a drink packed with lots of energy and other vital minerals. Welcome to our exploration of staying hydrated beyond just drinking water. Many other drinks can help keep your body refreshed, sometimes even better than water. We're going to look at aloe vera juice, tasty smoothies, coconut water, warm soup broth, and sparkling water. Each drink has its own special benefits, not just for keeping you hydrated. Let's start this tasty adventure to find out the top drinks for rehydration. Aloe vera juice, nature's hydration gel. Overview and benefits. Aloe vera juice comes from the aloe plant, a special kind of plant known for its health benefits for a long time. While most people know aloe for helping with sunburns, it does a lot more. To make aloe vera juice, you crush or grind the whole leaf of the plant, then clean and filter it. The juice tastes okay and can easily be added to smoothies and shakes, making it a great drink to have regularly. But what makes aloe vera juice a superior drink for rehydration? For starters, it's packed with nutrients that support digestive health, boost immunity, and enhance skin health. This includes a range of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids. Its hydrating properties are bolstered by its ability to help the body detoxify, aiding in the elimination of toxins while providing a nutritious boost. How it rehydrates. Aloe vera juice contains a significant amount of water, making it an excellent way to keep hydrated. Moreover, it's rich in electrolytes such as potassium and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining fluid balance, muscle function, and overall cellular function within the body. These electrolytes help replenish what's lost through sweat, especially during exercise or hot weather, ensuring your body stays well hydrated and functioning optimally. Practical tips. Adding aloe vera juice to your daily drinks is easy. Begin with a little amount because too much aloe vera can act as a laxative. Choose aloe vera juice that's pure without extra sugars or flavors to get the most benefits. If you don't like how it tastes, you can mix it with another juice or a smoothie. Make sure to pick high-quality aloe vera juice without aloein, a substance from the plant's outer leaf that can be bad for you in large amounts. Look for purified or decolorized on the label, which means the aloein has been removed. Aloe vera juice is usually safe for most people, but it's best to talk to a doctor before drinking it regularly, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or have health issues. Aloe vera juice is a great choice for staying hydrated. It's full of nutrients that help your body and overall health. Smoothies, the delicious hydrators. Overview and benefits. Smoothies are a staple in the world of health and wellness, beloved for their versatility and delicious taste. These thick, often creamy beverages are made by blending raw fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients like water, ice, dairy products, or plant-based milk. But beyond their satisfying flavors and textures, smoothies hold a secret superpower: their incredible hydrating capabilities. What makes smoothies particularly effective for hydration is their base components, fruits and vegetables, which are naturally high in water content. This, combined with the additional liquids used to blend them, makes smoothies an excellent choice for rehydration. Furthermore, when you consume smoothies, you're not just getting water, you're also ingesting a variety of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Nutrient-rich ingredients for hydration. Certain ingredients make some smoothies more hydrating than others. Fruits like watermelon, strawberries, and oranges are not only juicy and refreshing but also loaded with vitamins and minerals. Vegetables such as cucumbers, spinach, and kale add a hydration boost without compromising taste. Including these ingredients in your smoothies ensures that you're not just satisfying your thirst, but also fueling your body with beneficial nutrients. For an extra hydrating smoothie, consider adding coconut water instead of regular water or milk. Its natural electrolytes like potassium and sodium help restore the body's fluid balance more effectively. Smoothies offer a delightful way to stay hydrated, especially for those who may not enjoy drinking large amounts of water. By incorporating a variety of hydrating ingredients, smoothies can be a delicious and nutritious addition to your daily routine, ensuring you stay hydrated and healthy. Coconut water, tropical hydration. Overview and benefits. Coconut water, often referred to as nature's sports drink, is the clear liquid found inside green, young coconuts. This refreshing beverage has surged in popularity worldwide thanks to its natural sweetness, nutty flavor, and numerous health benefits. It's not only low in calories but also rich in essential nutrients, making it an excellent choice for hydration. One of the key features of coconut water is its electrolyte content. It contains 5 critical electrolytes found in the human body: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. This composition makes it incredibly effective at rehydrating the body, especially after exercise or any activity that causes sweat and fluid loss. Electrolytes and rehydration. Electrolytes are minerals that carry an electric charge and play a pivotal role in maintaining fluid balance within the body. They help regulate muscle function, pH levels, and even hydration. After a vigorous workout, your body loses these vital electrolytes through sweat. Drinking coconut water can replenish these lost electrolytes more efficiently than water alone, promoting quicker recovery and hydration. Moreover, coconut water contains more potassium than most sports drinks and most bananas, making it exceptionally beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health and preventing muscle cramps. Usage and selection tips. When incorporating coconut water into your hydration routine, here are some tips to get the most out of its hydrating properties. Choose pure coconut water. Opt for 100% pure coconut water without added sugars or flavors to enjoy its full health benefits. Some brands add extra sugar or flavoring, which can diminish its nutritional value. Fresh versus packaged. Whenever possible, choose fresh coconut water straight from the coconut. It's not only more refreshing, but also ensures you're getting all the natural nutrients without any processing. However, if you're going with packaged options, check the label for any additives or preservatives. Hydration beyond exercise. While coconut water is an excellent post-workout drink, it's also a fantastic everyday hydrator. Whether you're looking for a midday pick-me-up or a morning refreshment, coconut water can be a delightful alternative to plain water. Creative uses. Beyond drinking it straight, you can incorporate coconut water into smoothies, use it as a base for hydration-boosting popsicles, or even add it to your morning oatmeal for a tropical twist. Coconut water stands out as a natural, effective hydrating drink, packed with electrolytes and essential nutrients. Its versatility and delicious taste make it easy to include in your daily routine, ensuring you stay hydrated in the most natural way possible. Soup broth, warm and soothing. Hydration. Overview and benefits. Soup broth, often seen as just a base for more complex dishes, holds its own as a powerful hydrating agent. Made by simmering meats, vegetables, and herbs in water for several hours, broth is packed with vitamins and minerals extracted from these ingredients. This process not only imbues the water with nutrients, but also with flavors, making broth a comforting, savory option for hydration. Broths, especially those made from bones, bone broth, are rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals like magnesium and potassium, which can support digestive health, joint health, and immune function. Vegetable broths, on the other hand, are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, providing a hydrating boost for those following plant-based diets. Hydration with nutrients. The warmth of soup broth makes it particularly appealing during colder months, or for those seeking comfort in a cup. Unlike plain water or cold beverages, hot broth can feel more satiating, encouraging more fluid intake throughout the day. The high water content in broth helps maintain hydration, while the electrolytes and nutrients present aid in fluid retention and provide a gentle boost to the body's natural healing processes. Best practices. Here are some tips for incorporating soup broth into your hydration strategy. Homemade is best. Whenever possible, prepare broth at home to control the quality of ingredients and the sodium content. Store-bought broths often contain high levels of sodium, which can be counterproductive to hydration and health. Sip throughout the day. Instead of coffee or tea, try sipping warm broth. It's a great way to stay hydrated, especially if you're not a fan of cold beverages or have difficulty drinking enough water. Use as a base for meals. Incorporate broth into your meals by using it as a base for soups, cooking grains like rice or quinoa, or even steaming vegetables. This not only adds flavor, but also an extra hydration kick to your meals. Store properly. Broth can be made in large batches and stored in the refrigerator for up to a week, or frozen for longer periods. Freeze in ice cube trays for easy, portion-controlled use in cooking. Whether you're recovering from a cold, seeking comfort on a chilly day, or simply looking for a savory way to stay hydrated, soup broth is a versatile and nutritious choice. Its hydrating qualities, coupled with a rich nutrient profile, make it an excellent addition to any hydration regimen. Sparkling water. Bubbles of hydration. Overview and benefits. Sparkling water, also known as carbonated water, is water that has been infused with carbon dioxide gas under pressure. This process creates the delightful bubbles that give sparkling water its signature fizz, far from being just a trendy alternative to still water. Sparkling water offers a refreshing twist on hydration, with the added benefit of helping those who struggle with drinking enough plain water to stay adequately hydrated. Contrary to some myths, sparkling water provides the same hydration benefits as still water. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a zero-calorie, non-sweetened beverage without turning to sugary sodas or juices. Furthermore, for individuals dealing with certain digestive issues, the carbonation in sparkling water can aid in relieving symptoms of indigestion and constipation. Carbonation and hydration. One common concern about sparkling water is whether the carbonation can affect calcium levels in the body or lead to tooth enamel erosion. Research has shown that sparkling water has a minimal effect on bone health, and any potential impact on dental enamel is significantly less than that of sugary or acidic beverages. Therefore, when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, sparkling water is a safe and enjoyable way to meet your daily hydration needs. Creative ways to enjoy. To make sparkling water even more appealing, consider the following tips. Add natural flavors. Enhance your sparkling water with slices of fruits, such as lemon, lime, cucumber, or berries, for a refreshing and flavorful twist. Herbs and spices. Incorporate herbs like mint or basil, or even a splash of ginger juice, to create a sophisticated spa-like beverage. Homemade sodas. Mix sparkling water with a small amount of 100% fruit juice to create a healthier alternative to traditional sodas. Choosing your sparkling water. When selecting sparkling water, opt for brands that do not contain added sugars, artificial sweeteners, or sodium. This ensures you're hydrating in the healthiest way possible. Moreover, with the rise of flavored sparkling waters, it's easier than ever to find a taste that suits your palate, making it an enjoyable way to increase your fluid intake. Sparkling water presents a lively, refreshing option for staying hydrated. Its versatility and satisfying fizz make it a popular choice for those looking to add some sparkle to their hydration routine, all while keeping calories and sugar in check. As we've explored the vibrant world of hydrating beverages, it's clear that staying hydrated goes beyond simply drinking water. Aloe vera juice, smoothies, coconut water, soup broth, and sparkling water each offer unique benefits and flavors, making the act of hydration both enjoyable and beneficial to our health. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you benefited from today's video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell to get updates as soon as we post a new informative video. Thanks for tuning in.